Welcome to Agro with Travel YouTube channel. This about using drones for agricultural work. Drones are increasingly being used in agriculture due to their ability to provide valuable data and perform tasks efficiently. Here's some information about their usage. 1. Crop monitoring. Drones equipped with cameras and sensors can monitor crop health by capturing high-resolution images of fields. This data helps farmers identify areas of stress, disease, or pest infestation early on, allowing for targeted interventions. 2. Precision agriculture. Drones enable precision agriculture by providing detailed information about soil variability, moisture levels, and crop health. This data allows farmers to optimize inputs such as water, fertilizers, and pesticides, leading to increased efficiency and reduced costs. 3. Mapping and surveying. Drones equipped with GPS technology can create detailed maps of agricultural land, including elevation, slope, and drainage patterns. These maps aid in land management decisions, such as crop planning, irrigation design, and infrastructure development. 4. Spraying and application. Drones equipped with sprayers can accurately apply pesticides, herbicides, and fertilizers to crops. This targeted application reduces chemical usage, minimizes environmental impact, and increases efficiency compared to traditional methods. 5. Crop dusting. In addition to spraying, drones can be used for crop dusting, especially in areas where manned aircraft may be impractical or unsafe to operate. They can cover large areas quickly and precisely, reducing the risk of crop damage and improving application effectiveness. 6. Livestock monitoring. Drones equipped with thermal imaging cameras can monitor livestock health and behavior, locate missing animals, and assess grazing patterns. This data helps farmers identify issues such as illness, injury, or predation more efficiently. 7. Yield estimation. Drones equipped with specialized sensors, such as multispectral or hyperspectral cameras, can collect data to estimate crop yields. This information aids in crop planning, harvest forecasting, and marketing decisions. 8. Environmental monitoring. Drones can be used to monitor environmental conditions such as soil erosion, water quality, and vegetation cover. This data helps farmers implement sustainable land management practices and comply with environmental regulations. Overall, drones offer numerous benefits to modern agriculture, including increased efficiency, reduced costs, and improved decision-making. However, their successful integration requires proper training, regulatory compliance, and investment in technology and infrastructure.